How to change email on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can actually change the email on Instagram. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So the first thing you want to make sure is that you have actually downloaded and updated the Instagram app to the latest version. If not, then you can head over to your device's respective app store. In the search box, type in Instagram and go ahead and simply either download or update the Instagram app to the latest version. Once you've actually updated Instagram, I'm going to open it, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, what you could do is from the bottom right hand side of the screen, simply tap on your profile icon right over here. As you tap on your profile icon and take you to your profile page, on the top right hand side, tap on the three lines icon. So as you tap on three lines icon, at the bottom you want to go ahead and select the option called settings. As you tap on settings again, over here what you have to do is simply tap on the option called account. So tap on account, and right at the top you have the option which says personal information. So tap on personal information. As you tap on personal information, you'll be able to see a bunch of different options. Over here at the very first, you'll find our current email address. And if you want to change this current email address, you have to simply tap on it, and you can see this is our current email address. But if I want to actually change it, I will simply actually cross it and then actually enter the new email address which I want to use. Once you enter your new email address, on the top right hand side, tap on the check mark icon right over here, and your email address will actually be successfully changed. But then you have to go ahead and confirm it by going to your email, and then let's say for example I simply open my email right over here as well. What you have to do is simply tap on the link and then confirm the changes of your Instagram account. So right here you can see we have received the email which says confirm your address for Instagram. I'm going to go ahead and tap on confirm email address button right over here, and as you can see it says thanks, we have confirmed the new email address as well. And this is how you can change email on Instagram. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.